Yo, what's up guys? So right now I'm currently getting gas right now, and then I'm going to be headed over to Lost Motorsports. Today we got a very special vlog for you guys, and right now I'm talking to my girlfriend on my AirPods, as you guys can see, because you know I'm styling like that. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys in a moment. Hey guys, I just got to Lost Motorsports. If you're not in the San Bernardino area, and if you don't ever go through Richard Canyon, which I always show you guys when I come to the shop, man, at this time in the morning, it is a freaking mess. It's like, I left my house like around 5:40-ish, and I was stuck in the canyon for like literally like 20 to 30 minutes. Stuck in traffic, freaking boring. Oh man, that shit sucked. Anyways, so what I didn't tell you guys is we're heading over to Seibon. We got a big project to do over there, and we're bringing you along. And yeah, so that's pretty much what our day is gonna consist of.
What's cracking?
We got a big project. Alright guys, so we officially made it to Seibon. There was a lot of traffic, so yeah, it was took a really long time, longer than it should have. But we're here at Seibon, and what we're here today to do, guys, Ralph from Lost Motorsports is going to be installing some Cobb parts on, I forgot what kind of car it is. I want to say it's a new WRX, but he's going to be doing some Cobb parts on a Seibon car. So that's what we're here to do. I'm going to do some media of it, and then, so yeah, it's going to be a good day with Seibon. But we're going to go get breakfast first.
He's a YouTuber. Vlogger.
So if you guys follow me on Instagram, then you guys would recognize this S2000. It was at the shop maybe about 2 to 3 weeks ago. It was the supercharger install from Craftsworks, and I did post it on my Instagram. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you guys follow me on there, because that's where I post all the time, especially when I'm at the shop and fun things happen. So make sure you guys follow me.
You have to see if you're doing that shit. I think you're a mirror guy. That's all you got, dude. Yeah, that's how we grew up. I was like, yeah, mirrors is the way to go. Oh, that's dope. Yeah, this is the fucking
Alright guys, so this is the STI that we're gonna be working on. It's a 2018, and it's the special edition. The R type RA. So yeah. Alright guys, so like I was saying, this is the STI that we're going to be working on, and all the parts that we're going to be putting in are all from Cobb, and also there's going to be Seibon parts going on. I think they're over here in front. But yeah, everything is going to be, it's the stage 3 parts from Cobb. And then so Ralph over here is going to be putting them in. I'm here doing videos, taking pictures, just helping out when I can. It's a lot of stuff, dude.
channel, not for me.
Right now, Ralph is taking off the stock intercooler, so that way we can put on the upgraded Cobb intercooler, the front mount intercooler, and so we can start running all the pipings and stuff for that. And then what's the next after that?
Kicking his ass.
Asshole. Alright guys, instead of working on the car without it on the stand or on the jack, we're putting it up. Make life a lot easier. I'm trying to take that part off, because to put on the front mount intercooler, you have to definitely take that thing off so it mounts up right here. We couldn't get it on to sit flush with these holes because this was in the way, so yeah. So right now, as you can see, we're doing the fuel pump. And just a little pro tip, whenever you're gonna change out your fuel pump, try not to be on a full tank, maybe half tank, maybe a little bit less than that. It's gonna get messy right now, so I'll show you guys so that way you guys don't make the same mistake by having a full tank in. So there you have it, a full tank. It's probably gonna get really messy out there because it's gonna be all filled up inside of that thingamabobber. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. Alright guys, so this STI fuel pump is a bitch. It took us like 20 minutes at least or longer just to get the freaking fuel pump out, and it's finally in. We had to totally disassemble it, which it would have been a lot easier if we were just able to pull it out, but that's what she said, but it did not work that way, so we had to totally disassemble it. Guys, now we're taking off the manifold, and we just took off the turbo reservoir, what's the word I'm looking for?
Turbo coolant reservoir.
Yeah, the coolant reservoir. And so, like I said, we're taking off the manifold. Got to take off these fuel thingamabobbers. Alright guys, so we just came back from AutoZone and then eating our Panda Express that Seibon bought for us. So we're back. He bought, what is that called? What is that tool called?
Quick disconnect tool.
A fuel disconnect thingamabob.
Yes, sir.
It looks like that. I don't even know what it is. I didn't even know that existed, but that's what it is. It's basically to take these off because I guess you can't do it with a normal wrench or whatever. So yeah.
Well, you can. You just struggle a lot more.
Next, we're taking off the intake manifold, correct?
Yeah.
That's what we're prepping for. For the second time I had to go to AutoZone, but now we're back. And then, so before we left, we didn't have the intercooler on and this support beam, but it's on. But there's one problem: it doesn't sit flush with the car. So we're gonna have to do something about that, and I'll show you guys once they get back with what we're gonna put on it. And then now we're trying to take off the intake manifold. Hopefully that gets done soon, but it's being a bitch. Yeah. Problems. Guys, you might be wondering why I'm inside of the STI right now, even though it's on the rack. I'm probably going to be doing the hardest job of them all today. I'm going to be installing the Cobb shift knob that they gave them, that they supplied Seibon with. That's pretty hard, guys, so let me make sure that I don't mess up. Let me figure it out, and then I'll show you guys. Oops. Alright guys, I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial of how to remove your shift knob and install another one. So what you're going to do, you're going to turn it all the way until, what the hell is going on here? You're going to turn it all the way, so I'm going to fast forward this until it comes off, like so. And then, why isn't it coming off? There we go. Boom, guys, look at this Cobb shift knob that they gave them. It's pretty cool. So, put it on as so, and you spin it, and you spin it, and you spin it, and you spin it, until it's on. And boom! You guys got yourself a nice shift knob. It's pretty notchy. I mean, pretty heavy for all your shifting, you know? Pretty nice, not gonna lie. I like it. If I had a Subaru, I would definitely have one of these, or an Evo or whatever. That's pretty nice. Alright guys, so now we're doing the fuel rails, and they are so tiny. I'm so used to like the longer ones, like on my car. That shit is tiny. Where's the other one? Guys, so here's the fuel rail. This thing is tiny. And then the injectors that they're using are injector dynamics. Never heard of it really. But yeah. These are the fuel rails, freaking tiny. Alright guys, for the last maybe 30 minutes or so, we've been working on these fuel lines, and those are a bitch. I never thought I would work on a WRX or a STI in my life, or at least help Ralph, but I never thought I would work on a WRX or a STI that's owned by Seibon. But I want to say that I never want to do it again. These things are ugly and they're really hard, and yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, so I'll stick to my car. And this is probably gonna be this be almost the end of what we're doing today. And then we're gonna go work on the S2000 outside. So this is gonna be the end of the video. We didn't finish the STI today. Ralph is most likely gonna come back tomorrow, but tomorrow I will not be returning back here at Seibon because tomorrow is my next state ref appointment. I will be taking my camera along, so hopefully everything goes good. Other than that, guys, today was a little bit off for me. I'm still not used to vlogging again just because I've been taking breaks and stuff like that, so I'm not really used to talking to the camera and feeling comfortable. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was such an honor to come to Seibon and work on the STI with Ralph, or at least kind of try to work on it, and also get some good pictures and stuff, and like for IG and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.